let's go ahead and let's check out our next one. We've got Diane Moeller, and Diane's got Diane Moeller Photos, fine art, photography, prints, canvases, and metal art. Let's see here. She's got some beautiful stuff. Ooh, look at this one. Bryce Canyon. Is this Bryce Canyon? It looks amazing. Man, I thought I almost went to Bryce Canyon one time. Guess I did not go to Bryce Canyon because I have never seen that place before. Looking good. So let's look at your keywords up here, Diane. This one, that's really Bryce Canyon. Let's see, Utah has hoodoos. I don't know what that means. Utah has hoodoos. Let's search Utah has hoodoos. Because that doesn't really sound like a keyword to me. Yeah, that's not a keyword for you right there. So on this one, what you want to be doing is using keywords that are specific. If you could check out this listing, you want me to check out this one specifically. Okay, let's check out this Colorado listing. Colorado wall art landscape. I like the photo, very pretty. Colorado mountain home wall decor, maroon bells, canvas and metal landscape print, Elk Mountains art. Okay. Yeah, this looks pretty good. These keywords are definitely much better. And I like the photo. It looks really nice there. Let's see here. There we go. We got you standing there showing it off. It looks nice. I like it. Good. The maroon bells, they are pretty. So we got a little note from you. I offer photography, different stuff. You're really going all out, making the text move over to the button there. That's funny. Here we got another photo of it on the wall. And there you are again. Yeah, I think these photos are great. You know, it shows it off. We got the side showing the thickness of the canvas. We've got the back showing the back side. So that looks nice too. It's a metal canvas. Most professional art prints will arrive rolled inside A2. And then we've got the dimensions, 4x6, metal, canvas. So now the one thing I feel like I don't quite know the difference. Like, why would I buy the metal versus the print versus the canvas? You do give a lot of options, which I like. But I would, let's see, prints, professional photo paper with a glossy finish, metal, the most vibrant of all print media. Contemporary metal prints are a great way to turn to breathtaking, scratch, abrasion, fine canvas, wrap. Okay, so you got some descriptions down here talking about it. Yeah, this is a great looking item. Metal, and I think your keywords are good on this one. Colorado wall art landscape, Colorado mountain home wall decor, maroon bells. This one I would just probably add the word print. Maroon bells print, canvas and metal landscape print. You know, and I would also just do so you've got mountain home wall decor, but again, it is a very long keyword there on this one. Let's check. Colorado mountain home wall decor. Let's see, we've got 11,870, so that's really good. That's a nice amount. And let's also just look up mountain home wall decor. This one, we've got 336,000. But yeah, that's a big keyword right there. I like that one though. Colorado mountain home wall decor. I think you've got a great listing here. Good photos. All set up, looking nice, looks pretty. Now, the one thing is, how big is that going to be on the actual? See, that one is a bit, well, you got multiple. So there you go. That's what I was going to say. Because this listing, I see the photo is kind of small in the background. You can still see it really nice and clear, but it is a little bit small. But this one's bigger. I like this one a lot. That one's really nice. That one is pretty big, and I can get it. This one's a bit small back there on the table, but this is a really good setting right here. Oregon Coast photography. Yeah, I like that you have a lot of different options. And guys, this is a great way to think about your own products it's important if you've got, like, look at, we got this one here, this is the same product, but this one is way back in the background. And then this one is, you've got the just the print filling up the whole photo. So it's smart to try and do it that way, to try both ways, because some people are going to be more attracted to, you know, a staged photo with the art print on the wall, but then some people are going to be a little bit more attracted to just the full up photo. And I would also do, you know, do some maybe that where the print is like almost the entire thumbnail right here. But overall, you've got some incredible paint pictures, really, really pretty prints, all these different things. And I think your keywords are pretty good. Let's check this one. Oregon coast photography, ocean view, offering fine art prints, canvas and metal. So this one, your keywords are getting a little too descriptive, and it should just be a little punchier. So what would be better would be, we've got your first one, Oregon coast photography. You might even be better off going with like Oregon coast print, Oregon coast print, Oregon coast wall art, ocean view, or ocean wall art, ocean print, and you can also do ocean metal print. Instead of doing it like this, ocean view art, like offering is an unnecessary word to have in there. Fine arts prints, canvas and metal landscape print, coastal wall decor for office. That's a keyword right there, but that one's real long. But you could also do coastal art print and something like that. But just breaking them up, making them a little shorter and punchier is going to help you out a bit. And I'll pop these into the chat so you could get a couple of those. But overall, Diane, I think you got some really beautiful paintings. Really, or I keep calling them paintings, but I know they're photos here. But you've definitely got some great, great photos here. And I think you're staging them nicely. So, you know, work on the keywords maybe a little bit, and then make sure you keep them nice and renewed. Looks like you've got, you know, this one's only June 30th, so you probably are. And I think you've got some really good competitive prints for the mountains and, you know, landscape photos.